Tejas Mehta is now with us for more on this. Tejas, are there any more details forthcoming on the nature of this explosion?
Well, let's show you this ambulance is just coming right now at the court premises itself. It's still trying to enter inside. As you can see, casualties look to be higher. So this ambulance just coming in at this point of time. Several others are already inside, and then you also have fire brigades, fire engines which are right there. If you can show the fire engines also, which are just standing just right here. So they are trying to ensure that no other explosive also here. Our bomb disposal squad also is right here to ensure that another bomb. There are rumors that another bomb could also be here. Of course, everybody running around still trying to get to the spot there. I've seen the spot. The blast looks quite powerful as of now, at least. Let me just keep showing you what's happening around here. You can see another ambulance which is right there, still trying to find a parking space. It's a very narrow road because the Delhi metro construction is still on here, so very difficult for ambulances to enter here. But we have heard that some of the lawyers also in this entire tragedy have been injured, and that's the reason why. Let me just talk to one person. I'm just come here, please. You are a lawyer. Tell me, are any of your friends injured in this entire incident?
No, thankfully not. But there are other lawyers, and I am yet to know their names.
What has happened? Were you there when the entire explosion took place? You must have heard from your friends. What exactly happened?
I came 5 minutes after that.
Yes, continue.
And I was not there. I was near India Gate when I heard the blast. And soon after, there was police all over and they sealed all the way to High Court. And
you heard the blast. Tell us how powerful the explosion was.
It was very powerful.
How far were you?
Around 200 meters.
And then you rushed to the spot immediately?
No, I was in a car, so I had to park my car and then I walked down here.
You must have
by that time, the injured were taken to the hospital, and but still there is a lot of blood lying there. The scene is not good.
The entire legal community must be extremely shocked and disturbed by this.
Definitely we are. Definitely, because this is the prime time when it happened. All the litigants use this gate number 5. Lawyers also use this gate number 5, and
it's a crowded area.
It's a crowded area, and this is the peak hour.
And it's the second time it's happening already.
Yeah, so this is very shocking.